Hello and welcome to my latest video. Today I'm going to show you how to put a Facebook reel onto your business page. So it's a slightly different procedure to how to create a Facebook reel for your personal profile. So do stay tuned and have your mobile phone open and we can do this together. So let's jump into my mobile phone. So first things first. Inside of Facebook, we normally enter Facebook as ourselves, but what we need to do in order to put a reel onto our Facebook business page is actually go to our Facebook page and act as our Facebook page. Now, in order to find that, if you click the little icon at the bottom right, you can see that we have the option for pages. Now, this is going to pull up all of the pages that you manage or you own. Now, I'm going to go to this Nutrition Uncovered. Now, what we need to do is, at the moment, when I just go to it like that, I'm not actually acting as the page, I'm just acting as myself. And you can tell that by looking at the bottom right, I'm still acting as me, Anita Wong. In order for me to act as my page, you need to click the page again. And as it says here, it says Nutrition Uncovered, switch now. So if I switch now, Facebook is going to log me out of my personal profile and log me into my Facebook business page as my business page. And this is where we can now create a Facebook business page reel. So it says here, press create. So when we press create, we've got the option to create a post, a story, a reel, or go live. So we're going to create a reel. So go ahead and click reel. Again, it's going to bring you into an almost identical editor suite as the Facebook profile. So again, you can choose a video that you've already prepared from your camera roll and just follow the steps inside of the reel. However, I want to show you how to do this from scratch. So click the camera option. And again, it's going to show the video forward facing. So if you're going to do a selfie mode one, I would turn it around by clicking the turn around camera. Now we are looking at me. Hi. Again, the setup is very similar to the profile. The difference is where it's going once you've done it. So I'll quickly go through how to do this. The best things that I want you to know about is the timer. That's where we're going to start. In order for you to do this professionally for your business page, you can set a timer so that you have a countdown. So maybe you want to put your phone on a tripod so that you've got both hands free. And then you can actually set yourself up. Maybe you need to put some things in front of you. Maybe you need to put some things behind you. You can also have a 3 or a 10-second countdown. And that means that you can just get yourself ready in your mind and get everything sorted. You can also choose the length. Now, what I suggest you do, say like if you're doing a 30-second reel, do 3 sections of 10. If you're doing a 15-second reel, do 3 sections of 5. What that will do is it will help your audience catch their eye. Because if you've got 3 different angles that you're talking from, it's immediately going to keep them engaged. That's just a little pro tip from me about how to create reels that are engaging. If you just sit here like this and just talk, it's not as engaging. But if you talk 5 seconds in front, 5 seconds from the side, 5 seconds from the other side, you're immediately changing the effect that you want to achieve. So I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to just do a quick 10-second video. So we're going to do, let's do 5. Come on. And then I'm going to do a 3 seconds. And then when you set it, it's not going to go straight away. You've still got to press that button. So just quickly, audio is where you add your music. So you can add your music, you can search for your music. If you want to listen to the music and not add it, you click the play button. If you want to add it, click the title. Okay, so we'll add that in at the end. Speed means that you can either slow your videos down or speed your videos up. I'm just going to leave it on the normal. Effects means that you can add effects. So if you want to add effects, you've got some selected here, which will give you some sort of like different theme or different feel to what you're doing. If you don't want any, then just go back to the center. And my favorite is the green screen. So if you are in your office, then you might want to use your background and things like that. But if you want to sort of bring a different element in, use the green screen. Now the green screen, you can either use a background from your own camera roll. So if you've got some cool backgrounds in your camera roll, you could do that. Otherwise, you can choose from the selection here They've got this nice starry one in the background, which is quite cool. Just wait for that to load. As you can see, that's almost like put me into the spotlight. I'll keep that one. But there are lots of other ones here as well. So I'm going to keep the spotlight one. I quite like that. So once you're done with that, click done, and it will bring you up into that spotlight. Now, I've already set it up. So what we've done is we've set up the timer, and I'm going to do 5 seconds. We've set up the background. So all I need to do is hold the phone away from me, know what I'm going to say, and click go. It's going to give you a timer. If you want to be in the spotlight for your videos, make sure you add in transitions. So you see, after 5 seconds, it immediately stopped recording, and I've got the timeline along the bottom. Now, it automatically says next, but hang on a minute. I want to add on some more video. How do I do that? Well, Facebook have hidden it behind the edit button. Go to the edit button. And as you can see, we have this option to add. When we click the add option, we have the option now to add another bit. And that means we go back to this preset area. So again, click the timer. This time I'm going to give myself 10 seconds. So I'm going to go to 15 seconds on the timer. Again, I'm going to do 3 seconds countdown. I'm going to set it. Again, I'm going to find my green screen. So I had that nice spotlight one. So maybe I'm going to choose this one now. So I'm going to be more in the sets, like with the heart. And I'm also going to go from the side. So again, click done. Press the start button, 3 seconds. Adding different backgrounds into your videos makes your audience really get absorbed into the video. And as you can see, look at my eyes, they're so cool. Again, it stopped. And as you can see now, I have the option, I've got one section, then I've got another section, and I've now got this add button, so I can add another. But as you can see, it says tap to edit or trim. So this is where it's slightly different to the personal one. So this is where maybe you might need to rewind and have a little look at this, but just stay with me. I'm trying to go through it as quickly and as clearly as possible. If I were to tap on the first one, I can edit it out. So I could listen to it and then I could edit it out, and I can just move it along like this, and I can trim it down. So if there's any delay or any pause at all, I can edit those off. Go back, just click the arrow back and do the next one. Again, tap it, and again I can actually do that. So I might want to trim a little bit off like this, like so, and then go back, and again we can add in another one. So again, add another one in, back to where we were, click the timer. This time I'm just going to do 5 seconds, 3 seconds again, set it, again go back to the spotlight one, like so, and click done. Okay, so now I've put the background on. Again, I've done my 3 seconds. I'm just going to finish off so that I can show you how to upload it. So press go. Thanks for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this little tip about making videos. So we're all sorted. Everything's done. I'm happy with how that worked out. Click the done option. And now what we can do is we can add our music in the background if we want music. We can add our text as well, and we can add any stickers. So before you do anything else, if you want to use this video elsewhere, perhaps you want to repurpose it onto maybe Instagram, or maybe you might want to repurpose it onto TikTok. You see they've got this snazzy little save button. If you save it now, it's going to enable you to download it and use it elsewhere. It's also going to enable you to save this as a draft in case you need to come back and do it again or add to it later. Right, so how do you add text to your video? Click the text option and just start typing. So here we're going to put in here how to add the wow factor to your videos. Then if you want to move it to the middle, click the middle button. Make it bigger or smaller, use the bit on the side. Change the colour, click the colour wheel, change the side. If you want a background to it, click the background button, and then you can make it a different colour in the background and all sorts of things. If you want it only to show up at a certain time, click the timer at the top. And as you can see, we're only going to have it for the beginning of the video, and I'm going to pause it a minute and I'm going to pull that over have it for a little bit, and I'm going to bring it down so that it's not in my face. Click play and click done. That's all you need to do. And then all you need to do now is, I suggest, now this is a pro tip, to pause the video before you click next. And then if you want it to show a certain scene of your reel, move the little icon to that part. So there, look, how to add the wow factor to your reel, and then click next. If you let it play and click next, it will take the scene that it's just automatically chosen to the next stage. But if I do it like this, I click next, it's going to take that scene that I chose with the title. If I go back and show you, if I just let it play and I click next, it's going to just take where I click next from. So do you understand that? So pause the video, use the icon to choose which part of the video you want to keep for your thumbnail almost. I'm going to keep that one. Click next, then add your description. So this is like your description. So add in here, add in a hashtag, and then click done. Now, this is a difference. On your Facebook business page, your reel is going to be public. There's no option to keep it private. It's always going to be public. Tag people if you want to. So if you're collaborating with a brand, or you want someone to, or someone else is in the video with you, tag them so that they get the exposure. And if you want to, you can add a location and pop the location that you're in as well. So if I wanted to put that I was in London, I could. And at the bottom there, it says invite collaborators, share credit for your reel with collaborators. So that's where you can tag a collaborator if you don't want to tag them as a person. Then all that's left to do is click share now. And that reel is going to be uploaded to your Facebook business page. Now on your Facebook business page, it will show up inside of the feed. So let's just let that happen. Okay, so there's my reel showed up there. If I click on it, you can see that it's there and it's playing and it's public. So it's exposed to everybody on the internet. Now, one thing I want to show you, if we go back to our page, you can see that the reel, when we get to it, is showing up there. Now, if I click the share button, you can see that I can share it to Messenger, WhatsApp. I can copy the link. I can share it to a group that I'm in as a page, not as a person, only as a page. And I'm just going to click share. And that's going to go to my Facebook business story. Now, as a little pro tip here and a bonus for sticking around so long, I'm going to show you how to share this to your personal profile story. So in other words, how do you share this business page reel to your personal story? So the first thing you need to do is you need to go back to the Facebook menu at the bottom, and you need to click the three dots up here, and you have to change how you're acting, and you need to go back to how you're acting as yourself. So you need to come out of your page and you need to come back as your personal profile. Then what you do is you go to the page by searching for it, go to the page, find the reel, click the share button. Now you can see it's asking me to share it to my story. Click share to story, and that's going to be shared to my personal story. Click share, and then just let it do its stuff. Come back to the home key. So now we're on my home page. Refresh it just so that we get the most up-to-date version. Click on my picture, view story, and there, it's not quite loaded yet, but that is my reel that I've got on my page. And as you can see, it's got the reel here. When I click it, it should see view reel. Click on there. It's going to take me straight to that reel on my Facebook business page. So I hope that was useful to you. I know it's a little bit different to doing a Facebook reel on your profile, and that's why I thought it was so important to show you how to do that. So this video showed you how to create a Facebook reel for your business page, and as a bonus, I also showed you how to share that Facebook reel from your page to your page's stories, and also from your page to your personal stories, again amplifying your visibility. My name's Anita Wong. If you've enjoyed this video, give me the thumbs up. And of course, if you want to learn more about Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, smash that subscribe button. And if you want to watch more videos in my Facebook playlist, click this and you'll be able to watch all of my videos about Facebook, Facebook Reels, Facebook Stories, Facebook Lives, right there in that playlist. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.